The Goodman GSXV9 series provides energy-efficient cooling through variable speed technology, but system failures are common. These can range from complete shutdowns to reduced performance. Many issues stem from component aging, particularly in units installed between 2018 and 2022. In early 2025, Goodman issued a voluntary recall for specific GSXV9 models with serial numbers starting with 18 to 22 due to faulty inverter boards prone to overheating. Free repair kits are available through authorized dealers. Check your unit's serial number if experiencing issues. Common problems include power supply issues. Ensure voltage is 208-230 volts and check breakers for proper function. Capacitor failure is another issue. Test the run capacitor for the compressor or motor, ensuring capacitance is above 5% of the rated value. Control board malfunctions can occur. Try resetting through the thermostat or replace if needed. Refrigerant leaks can halt operation. Check suction pressure targeting 65 to 70 psi. Motor or compressor lockup often needs professional disassembly and repair. Current fixes often involve software updates and hardware replacements. Goodman offers remote diagnostics through app-integrated smart thermostats. While DIY fixes are possible for Goodman GSXV9 systems, especially for capacitor replacements, professional servicing is recommended to avoid voiding warranties and prevent further damage. The GSXV9 integrates with smart home platforms, but cybersecurity vulnerabilities have emerged, requiring firmware updates for encrypted connections. Looking ahead, expect AI-driven predictive maintenance to reduce failures. Goodman plans to phase out older GSXV9 models by 2028, replacing them with the GSXV10 series featuring self-healing inverters and eco-friendly refrigerants. Remember that failure rates are higher in humid climates, and improper sizing contributes to many issues. Consider annual inspections and avoid off-brand parts. If your GSXV9 system is experiencing issues, prioritize safety by shutting off power before attempting any repairs.